Umulan man, uminit, talaga natatrabaho to, kahit na may bagyo. Totoo yan. Senator Coco. Kaya niyo po ito, Attorney Pagano. Ang sipag nito. Masipag mangotong. Kolektor po ito. 500,000 pesos kinokolekta sa bawat STL operators every single month. Walang mintis. Walang mintis. Kahit na bumabagyo. Ando yan, mangungulekta sa mga STL operators. 500,000 pesos. Bukod pa sa 500,000 pesos, meron pa tinatawag na goodwill money. Pag merong gustong maging operator, hingian ang money down. We need a list of those people, those operators na hindi nakapagbayad na may utang at ano pong ginawa ng PCSO. Dahil kapag walang ginawa ang PCSO, hindi pwede. Kailangan po merong aksyon ng ginawa ang PCSO. Kasuhan ng mga ito, dalhin sa korte yung pong kaso. Kasi mali natin baka nanduloko lang yung baka may kasabwat na tulad sinasabi ni Senator Bato. Baka may nakikipagsabuatan sa mga taga-PCSO. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung operation nila kahit hindi sila nakapag-remit for so many months, kinukonsente kasi nga po merong kasabwat. And then later on, pag medyo hinog na, mahalata na tayo, mainit na masyado, shutdown na natin, kumita na, maghati-hati na yung taga-PCSO at saka yung delinquent na operator, and then gagamit lang ng panibagong muka, mag-open ng panibagong company, panibagong dami, and hit ng hit ng hit. Hit ng hit. Tama si Senator Bato. Walang run. So ngayon, we need a list of those delinquent operators and what happened to them. Pag wala, then dapat merong managot. Yun ang sinasabi ni Senator Robin. Dapat may makasuhan. Kasi we're talking of billions, 5 billion pesos. Buti sana kung 5 million lang. Okay lang siguro. Pikit mata, pero milyones pa rin yan. Pero 5 billion, no way. Go ahead, Mr. Arnel.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Just to provide a clarification, yung 5 billion pesos na collection unremitted po, that happened in 2016 to 2020. So that was the time yung STL operations, or all gaming operations of the PCSO were stopped. And then after that, we implemented the 2020 STL RIRR since 2020 po. And until now, no shortfall po from the Lotto.
Pero just the same, pag-iimbestigahan po.
Yes.
Sino-sino yon at imbestigahan niyo po yung mga lahat ng mga bagong STL operators after that. Sino-sino sila, sino mga incorporators nila. Baka ma-trace back natin, baka isa doon sa mga delinquent na yon na nag-open lang, sabi nga Senator Bato, ng panibagong operations using different names. That has to be investigated because we're talking of billions. Kahit nasabihin pa natin 2014 pa yan, going to 2012, 2010. Money is money and we're talking of billions. Na bilyones na niloko sa ating gobyerno na pera po yan ng taong bayan.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we'll do that. And based on the report from the branch operations sector, may mga collection cases daw po filed, and then we'll check po ito.
File a criminal case para mapilitan sila magbayad.
Civil
Connection yan.
Okay, may abogado tayo, si Atty. Coco. Atty. Coco, estapa raw ba yun?
Well, hindi. Pwede yung estafa kasi lalo na kung nag-collect sila. Pero just to clarify the clarification of Mr. Casas, you said 2016 to 2020 when STL operations were suspended. So, suspended?
up to 2019 yan.
Ulit. When were STL operations suspended?
July of 2019.
July of 2019, sir.
Ang start ng suspension?
Yes, sir.
Up to when?
Then,
Na-lift nung ano?
6 months? 3 months?
I think almost within the same year of 2019, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So hindi yun. So okay. So merong operations nung period na yon, and then so for that period may operations, and then 5 billion pesos were not remitted by the STL operators per your records. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 5 billion. Ngayon, Mr. Chairman, when the PCSO submits to us the list of the STL operators, kung pwede, they should not stop with corporate names. Give us the list of the people behind the corporation. So pati kasi hawak naman ninyo yan. I'm sure hawak ninyo yung articles of incorporation, pati siguro latest GIS noong time na yon. So pati yon, kasi Mr. Chairman, doon tayo madadali pag sabihin ng mga pangalan niyan, pangalan lang ng korporasyon yan. Hindi natin hindi natin nakikita yung sino nasa likod. So we pierce the veil. So, give us the incorporators, give us the GIS, the officers, the latest na hawak ninyo. So because that's part of your report para makita po namin. So at least na klaro, I thought na these were theoretical amounts na projections lang na not remitted. These are real. Kasi may operations May operations, may computation kayo, and 5 billion. Malaki po ito, Mr. Chairman. I'm talking to the chairman also of the PCSO, Mr. Kua. Masyadong malaki, 5 billion. There's a big weakness in your contracts with the STL operators na kung napapabayaan ninyo yung metro na ganun kataas, wala kayong action. Dapat pinuputol na ninyo yan because dala pangalan ninyo
Mr. Chairman.
Dala pangalan ninyo dyan. Kayo rin ang nasisira. Imagine yun, Taya, PCSO accredited, and then wala na pala. Delinquent na siya. I mean, there's really a great weakness in your system kung umaabot tayo sa ganyang halaga. Na pati si Attorney Pagano, nung tinanong niya, hindi lang ito na-capture ng mikropono, nagulat, napasigaw. Nung nalaman niya 5 billion, may 5 billion. It's too much.
That's true, Mr. Chairman. And pati ako na-shock kasi I'm not aware of this information. And these are really operational matters that should have been looked into and brought to the attention of the board. So we have taken note of all of those things, Mr. Chairman.
Meron pa tayo kasing resolution 253 na pinal ni Senator Coco, pending resolution from you. But before that, okay, isa na lang.
Set another
Set another hearing. Okay. Sino po si Tonton San Diego? Is he here? Tonton San Diego, raise your hand. Meron ako itatanong. Wala. Walang Tonton. Attorney John Derek, Ms. Chris Gregorio, Attorney Lauro, Juni, Mr. Juni, Mr. Larry, Dr. Arnel. Okay, wala rin si Tonton. Meron po nakakilala sa inyo kung sino po si Tonton San Diego? Ma'am? Attorney Pagano? Attorney Patiag? Hindi niyo po kilala? Santiago. Masipag po ito. Pinakamasipag. I'm telling you, siya po ang pinakamasipag na tao so far. Alam niyo po, Mr. Attorney Patiag, bakit masipag siya? Sinabi ko masipag. Umulan man, uminit. Talaga natatrabaho to. Kahit na may bagyo. Totoo yan. Senator Coco. Kaya niyo po ito, Attorney Pagano. Ang sipag nito. Masipag mangutong. Kolektor po ito. 500,000 pesos kinokolekta sa bawat STL operators every single month. Walang mintis. Walang mintis. Kahit na bumabagyo. Andun yan, mangungulekta sa mga STL operators. 500,000 pesos. Bukod pa sa 500,000 pesos, meron pa tinatawag na goodwill money. Pag merong gustong maging operator, hingian ang money down.